Grain mites infest dry goods like flour, grain, and cereal. They can trigger allergic reactions or skin irritation in some people. Mites reproduce quickly in the right conditions, so infestations can occur suddenly. Check this video's description for timestamps to jump to different sections. To shop for the products in this video and to learn more about pest control, click the links in the description. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing time and money. Grain mites, also known as flour mites or cheese mites, are small arachnids with soft, pale bodies. They grow up to 0.026 inches in length. Female grain mites are usually larger than male grain mites. Adult grain mites have 8 legs, while juvenile mites have only 6. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check your property to confirm the pest's presence or find activity hotspots. Grain mites infest warm, humid areas where food is stored. They target dry foods like grains, flour, animal feed, dried fruit, and cheese. Infestations can occur in pantries, kitchens, garages, bins, and other storage areas. Some people may develop itching, redness, or mild rashes. These occur on contact with mites, their shed skins, or any other allergens they may produce. After identifying your pest and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products settle completely. To control grain mites, start by removing infested goods. Throw out any boxed or bagged items, then remove everything else from your shelves. Vacuum all cracks and crevices in the shelving, then wipe down all shelves with warm water and gentle soap to remove any food residue. Do not use any strong detergents or bleach. After the area has been cleaned, apply a product like Pyrid aerosol. Pyrid is an insecticide that is used as a flushing agent. This product is made with a botanical insecticide, so it's safe to use in food storage areas when used according to label directions. To use Pyrid as a crack and crevice treatment, shake the can and spray along the lengths of any cracks and crevices in your pantry where any mites could be hiding. Spray in quick bursts, usually about 1 second of spray per foot. Pyrid does not leave a residual, but it is an excellent contact spray with a powerful knockdown and quick kill. For broader grain mite activity outside the pantry, apply Flex 1010 in non-food areas like garages or storage rooms. Under normal conditions, mix 3.2 fluid ounces of Flex 1010 per 1 gallon of solution. In heavy infestations, you may use up to 6.4 fluid ounces of product. Deliver spray to areas where pests hide, like around cracks, crevices, and underneath appliances. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after applying pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to ensure it can't happen. Regular sanitation is key to preventing any infestation from spreading. Wipe down pantry shelves, vacuum or sweep the floors, and clean other surfaces to remove any food sources for pantry pests. Store dry goods in airtight containers to prevent mites or other pests from infesting. Avoid keeping food in paper bags or cardboard boxes. If pest activity occurs, Pyrid can be sprayed on demand to control pests quickly. Flex 1010 may be reapplied once a month for continuous control. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop grain mites from infesting, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.